Welcome to J&J's test video of 9540 99 Firebird 3800. Hit in the left rear, only has 69,000 miles on it. Still has the Firebird logo in the back. T-tops, everything's still there. Sometimes the hood's stay up. Thing's really nice and clean, well taken care of. Take it for a little drive. Radio works, climate control works, windows work, slowly but they work. Good old GM. Transmission works. This thing's a nice car. And then it got hit. Park it. I just realized the column's even tight. Oh no, it's got a little bounce. Not bad. All right, that's it. 69,000 miles, 99 Firebird. Windows work. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you the headlights work. Pop up, down they go. All right, as always, thank you for watching. Have your pets spayed and neutered.